First, a very warm welcome to all of you to the 14th edition of the Singapore International Energy Week. Addressing climate change is a global imperative. With the power sector accounting for almost a quarter of global emissions, decarbonizing electricity generation is at the core of the global climate change effort. Many countries around the world have already pledged to transition their power sector, reducing reliance on coal and other fossil fuels, and developing more renewable energy sources. Singapore is therefore very invested in the success of the global energy transition and is committed to playing our part to combat climate change. This year also marks the 20th anniversary of the founding of the Singapore Energy Market Authority. I'm confident that EMA will continue to push the boundaries and work collectively with all stakeholders here and abroad to create a more sustainable energy future. On that note, thank you for being here, and I wish all of you a fruitful time at the conference. Thank you.